While trying to remove a shower arm, the pipe snapped right before the threads, so they are now inside the wall. If this happens to you, don't freak out. There is a tool for this. It's got a couple names. Shower arm thread remover or pipe nipple extractor are some common names. Here is a set I have, and I'll put a link in the description of where you can buy one, but you want to choose the right one for the pipe you need to remove. Then you're going to slide it into the thread you need to remove and just tap it gently with a hammer to set it. And now you can use a pliers, a wrench, or an adjustable to grab onto the head and start rotating it counterclockwise. This is going to dig into those threads and help you unscrew it. So here you can see that the first few twists really set that extractor into that broken threaded pipe. And now the broken threaded pipe is literally unscrewing from the inside of that pipe in the wall. Once it's backed out enough, you can literally spin it out with your hand and it will come off with the extractor. So once you've got it out of the wall, this is what it looks like. So that piece of broken pipe is pretty well wedged onto that extractor. So in order to recover your extractor, what you want to do is you just want to grab two wrenches, grab onto the pipe with a good strong pliers, and then just use an adjustable, and then just rotate that extractor out. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.